Order fill.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, September 3rd, 2024, and we're going up with QQQ. H pattern, wide state, H pattern. H pattern, wide state, H pattern. V pattern, wide state, retesting off the low of Friday, oscillator agreement. Impulse, correct, and expecting an impulse back up.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in half our gains, and we're going to stick around to see how this price is going to react around the 471.75, 472 range.
Order fill.
And there's a little bit better than a dollar move today, ladies and gentlemen. We had little to no fall through, so we're going to pull our profits and call it. As always, never forget, be a pro.